I stand and I'll be falling.
These boathouses on your right are all brand new, the 4 of them.
Wow.
Because when we moved here, those houses weren't there. It was just a bunch of lots. Yeah, there were just a bunch of lots there for sale.
And they seem to have sold.
I saw the gator this morning.
Yeah, Linda told me.
Yeah.
Me either.
Now, if I hung a right and went up that canal there, that would take us up to where the lock is. But since I want you to see as much as possible today, or at least while we still have some nice sky, now the yellow house straight in front of you there to the right a little. Let's see, is that the one? No, it's the one to the left of it. Was Linda's brother's place. Where you see the orange and the green and the yellow chairs and whatnot. I'm surprised it's but today's Saturday. Yeah, that's why.
Well, they were out here at 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. But this whole back room, they had set up 2 desks like their offices and whatnot. So in the morning he would watch the sunrise, check his bank statements and his investments. So this is the far side of the island, which that is an island. You cross over a bridge over the canal, which isn't that big, and then you're on this island. those are mobile homes. They could be double wides, they could be singles. This is why I prefer going out Monday through Friday.
I see why.
You don't have the extra traffic.
But yet everybody seems pretty happy out here in the backyard.
Oh yeah. Try and not get too close to the people's docks because the waves and whatnot, tend to deteriorate your uprights and whatnot with the water rocking back and forth. All right, there's one of the drop-down covers.
Oh, nice.
You just push a button and the whole thing lifts up and away you go.
Highly desirable.
Yes.
Looks like we're going to do a little work on this dock here.
Yeah. Well, as we go, you'll see some docks that look like they're falling down and they're in a state of disrepair. And you wonder why they just don't knock them down. Well, you're not allowed to build a dock that's totally closed in. And if that one had been totally closed in, you're grandfathered in so you could replace the walls. But if you knock it down, you're screwed. Now this one up here on the end where you see the orange, whatever that is,
Yeah.
that was our dock, and the yellow house behind it was ours.
Still pretty nice digs.
That whole back porch, those windows slide and open,
Oh.
and it was 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, the biggest dining room you've ever seen.
Oh, wow.
And the living room was on this side of the house where the bay windows are, and that whole side is living room.
Wow.
And then this is the boathouse that we did with the screen in. We had a platform, you could come out on the platform and go fishing. And he since has put in the stairs over here in that other little walkway.
Oh.
And they're the nicest people. And then John lived in the gray house there.
This one right here.
Yeah, not
Oh,
on
wow.
the,
So right across.
in the canal, yeah. So he was right across from us.
Looks like building a boathouse on this side too.
No, honey, that actually is not bad. I mean, they don't look like mobile homes.
No.
I mean, they're actually
And
really
please,
nice.
for the time when we finished ours, we had gutted it.
Yeah.
So there was no wood paneling
Right,
inside. We
yeah.
had put up plasterboard and plaster walls and ceilings.
So, like, one of these, how much do these go for?
We sold ours for $235, but that was a high price because it was like brand new.
Yeah.
Everything in it was new.
That might be an option.
Yes.
Well, he said that it's smart to, or maybe Jack said it was smart to get a place down here, just a temporary spot.
Yeah,
Right.
John was telling you that, so you could look around.
That gives you the flexibility to shop.
Right.
And it's kind of hard, but if you want I would always try and move into a place that didn't have an HOA,
Yeah.
homeowners association, because you are restricted. Now, we don't mind where we are. The only thing I regret is our particular piece of property and a couple on that side where we are, we cannot put a shed out back. Where if you're down on the canal,
Yeah.
you can put a shed out back. And your homeowners, most homeowners don't let you put in fences,
Right.
even if it's like a chain link fence, because it has a tendency to block view.
Right.
But now here's a few more of these drop-down boat covers.
Oh,
It just makes it so much easier.
So much nicer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to just push the button.
Yep.
The top goes up. We don't have to fold it and unfold it.
Right.
And when you pull in, if you've been out all day and you're tired,
Just
you
pull
don't have
in
to
and-
fool with
yeah.
it.